Hello, everyone. James Hickey here. I'm the founder of SD Networking Events. And today I'm going to talk about the Digital Marketing Summit. It's coming September 21st, and it's going to be a really great event. Many of you know me, and we've had smaller events, business networking, 60 to 80 people. I'm shooting for a bigger crowd on this one, 150 to 200 is the current range, maybe more. So let me tell you a little bit about it. It's going to be in San Diego, California, in the downtown area. You can, when you go to the website here, which there'll be a link on this video, you can go right here to secure a spot at the event, and I'll touch on that later. Who should attend or why you should attend? We've got great speakers. All the participants are business owners and entrepreneurs, and I got great sponsors. So come and meet them. A little bit more about it. You can read all this. I'm not going to read it to you, but there's my smiling face. I'll be the first speaker, so you got to be there at 10 o'clock. When I'm doing this video, it's 28 days away. So whenever you watch this, keep in mind it's coming up soon, and I will talk about the early bird tickets in a minute. I've got the schedule listed here, the order of which people are speaking and their topics. Each one of the actually back up here, you got a pull down window on each one of them if you'd like to learn a little bit more about them, see what you get yourself into. And here are speakers. Me, Bill Walsh, my buddy John Ramirez, the director of Awesome, Mansi Shah, Jenny Edwards, Stock, I've known her for 15 years. Herman does podcasts. Stephen De La Cruz, he's actually one of my sponsors. So you'll get to meet all of them. So here's the pricing right now. It's $39 to attend, and that's going to expire and go to $79 on 8/31. From there, you get to attend the conference. You're on your own for lunch, and you have access to the event and the expo. If you go with the VIP pricing, $99 for right now, that's going to expire as well on 31st and go to $149. From there, you get seats right in the front. You don't have to save your seat. They'll all be reserved for you. You get lunch included. I buy you lunch, access to the event and expo. You get access to my digital marketing training center. There's 60 to 70 videos on digital marketing for your business. Or if you want to become a digital marketing consultant, there's a 12 module course in there on how to get started. There's also a course on how to be a top influencer. So that's a $299 value. That's what I currently sell it for. And you get that just for joining at the 99 or the 149. You also get a VIP membership to all of my SD networking events. So that's $149. This is the VIP pricing right now. But for the next 12 months, once you join, you will get access to all of my events, all of my summits, everything. It's like this is the best deal, but going in this way. You want to get the VIP ticket because you're covered for all the upcoming events as well. We're going to have the Finance Summit in January, a Entrepreneur Summit in April, and then April, May, June, July. We're going to have a Health and Wellness Summit, second one I've done, and then Digital Marketing Summit again in September, October next year. So just these are true values. You can look at the sites. So for $300, $450, you pay $99. You get access to this and all the upcoming events. That is hands down the best deal. And you get a free t-shirt. I'm making t-shirts for this event. And that's probably the best thing about it. Wearing a Digital Marketing Summit t-shirt. Way to go. So buy that now here. If you are a corporate sponsor and you want to get involved with this, I am taking a few more corporate sponsors. You got a lot of the same. You get a booth in the expo area. Lunch is included. You can bring up to 4 people. I don't have that on here. Free parking. I'll cover your parking. You can even speak at the event. You can have a time to talk about your company and your corporate sponsorship. 2 of the people that are speaking, Bill Walsh and Stephen De La Cruz, are my sponsors. So if you become a sponsor, you get to speak at my events. And then I have a social media and email following of 150,000 people, majority of them in San Diego. The rest of them are nationwide and global. Access to my list and email. I will promote your company for you. So looking for a few corporate sponsors by now. And then here's some lists. And then let me go back to the top here. Secure your spot. So if you just want the to attend the event, $39 one time. But the way you really want to go, get the $99 ticket. Covers DMTC access. I can't fit in any more letters in here. It's capped out, so characters. So just know you get the digital marketing asset, DMT access, and then you get San Diego Network events. You're a VIP, a VIP for 1 year after that, and then the corporate sponsors. From here, you click which ones you want to choose, which is this one, and you continue and go ahead and sign up. And I look forward to seeing you at the event. It's going to be a great time. I got great speakers, good people. Look forward to seeing y'all there. If you have any questions, contact me. My email is jmhmarketinggroup@gmail.com, or reply back to this email that I sent you, and I can answer any additional questions. And then if you need to email me or contact me, give me your phone number. We can have a conversation on the phone as well. That's all for now. Thank you so much and appreciate your time. And I will see you at the DMS, Digital Marketing Summit, September 21st.